Are you facing challenges with your current reality? Do you want to be an empowered actor of the future of L'Oréal? Are you willing to create the momentum? If yes, this program is for you. At L'Oréal Momentum, you'll experience a pioneering journey that starts with your business work that you're facing every day and with your strengths that you'll discover and unleash.
And have a conversation about what you've heard.
It continues by helping you see L'Oréal's unwritten rules,
the way we see, the way we act, and also the way we think.
intertwined with the cornerstones of our transformation, building a clearer view of our strategy and the key role you can play within it. During this journey, you'll travel from your current reality to the future you want to build, looking through specific, successful L'Oréal business cases. You'll meet several internal top leaders working across our organization, acting as true models of L'Oréal.
I think that each and every one, we can have an impact on that.
We'll take you to meet your peers, using co-development sessions that will help you test and learn your business work and support and challenge each other.
The one person that is going to, not because I'm particularly creative at all, but I'm...
We'll take you to new experiences, inviting you to participate in a business game that will challenge the way you see cooperation and consumer centricity. We'll offer an inspirational breathing space that will show you what self-mastery looks like and what choices you can make from it when it comes to entrepreneurship. By the end of the program, 4 months later, when you'll have continued your test and learn development through coaching and virtual co-development sessions, you'll be able to better navigate within the L'Oréal transforming culture and meet your business objectives. Today, tomorrow, together.
I think we all must participate in this seminar. To bring such a huge change to a multinational beauty worldwide leader, we need all to be ambassadors for change.
Are you in? Come and join the momentum.